Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today's recipe is Penne Arrabbiata. First I'm going to make the sauce. In goes olive oil. Once the oil is heated, put in some garlic. This is the simplest, no hassle, no frill recipe for it. So once it's slightly brown, the garlic, add in your tomato paste. Now you need to cook the tomatoes for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes, not less than that. Usually I would like cook it for an hour, slow cook it for an hour. But since this is a quick recipe, you give it at least 20 minutes on the pan, where you increase and decrease speed constantly. Keep adding water and cooking them further. So the tomatoes are cooking really well. What I'm going to do now is add the fresh basil to this. And some salt. The longer you cook your tomatoes, the tastier your sauce is going to be. So if you can give it an hour or so, just go for it. I'm going to add my pasta to this. I want to mix some cheese in this itself so it melts in with the pasta instead of putting it on top. And this is done. There you go. The Penne Arrabbiata is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Do try this at home and come back to Desi Bites for more fun videos. Till then, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in another fun episode. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a berry smoothie. For which I have with me, this is berry syrup with berries inside it, 60 ml of strawberry syrup, take about 200 grams of yogurt, ice cream, and I'm just going to add about 5 grams of castor sugar. So for the berry smoothie, we'll use a little fancy glass, using a margarita glass. Berry smoothie served. A nice, healthy berry breakfast. Oh yeah, this is my favorite. Do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav and I say that I will see you in another episode. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a mango lassi. For this, I have taken some mango pulp. If it's the season for mangoes, then you can use fresh mangoes. If not, then there's always mango pulp, and which is about 180 ml of mango pulp and 250 grams of yogurt and some ice. Let's not forget that. Let's just get started. In goes the yogurt. It's going to make some noise, and looks good, and lassi is ready. Pretty simple, not much to do with this one. If it is the season for mangoes, then you can garnish with some sliced mangoes on top. If you've noticed, I haven't added any sugar because the mango pulp is highly concentrated, so I didn't need any sugar for this. But if you're using fresh mangoes and they aren't sweet enough, do not hesitate to add sugar as per your taste. Ready to serve this. Cheers everyone. Cheers everyone. Do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites. I will see you in another episode with another fun and easy recipe. See you guys.